Shalom Aleichem, everybody. Welcome to RebCohen.com, bringing you an inspiring and relevant word on the Torah portion of the week. So this week's Torah portion is Parshat Shmot, which is the first Torah portion of the book of Exodus. And of course it speaks of the story of Moses growing up, kills the Egyptian man, runs away to Midian, marries Zipporah, watching the sheep, the burning bush, and God comes to him and appoints him to be the person to take the Jewish people out of Egypt. God gives him signs in order to perform in front of the people. He comes back, meets Aaron, gathers the elders, gathers the people together, does the signs, and then goes to Paro. Question is, why not just go directly to Paro? Do not pass go, right? Therefore, why? Why go to the Jewish people first? You got a mission? Do it. So, there's an unbelievable concept brought down by the Leshem Reb Eliashuv. Very deep. And it says like this, that in order for there to be a bestowal from above, there has to first be an awakening from below. You see, when Moshe went to the Jewish people, so he had to instill in them the unbelievable emunah and inspiration, and then he could go to Paro. So the idea here is not only there needs to be an awakening from below for there to be a bestowal from above, but to the degree of the awakening from below is the measure of the degree of the bestowal from above. It's an unbelievable word. Imagine what we could do with this concept and uniting ourselves together, becoming an awakened people, and awaken ourselves up in prayer or in Torah study, in mitzvahs, to do these kind of things that could bring about an unbelievable change. So the idea here is that awakening is also is an awakening of the soul. You see, the Baal Shem Tov brings down that there are two kinds of exile, right? There's the exile of the body. Exile meaning the soul is put into the body, and it's subjugated to the influences of the body, and the soul can't necessarily express itself in terms of its potential. And then there's, of course, the physical exile, which is that the bodies are suffer servitude and subjugated and oppressed by the nations, like the exile that we're expressing now. He goes on even more to say that you have to pray for your personal, your micro-exile first, in order for there to be the expression in the macro sense. So that's what we say in the davening on Shabbos. When we welcome the Shabbos, we say these words, Karva nafshi ge'ala. Bring my soul close, redeem it. Okay? Right now, do this as an awakening for yourself. Right? Because we have to awaken our souls to this. God, bring my soul close. Redeem it. Right? And in that, we should all merit to have an unbelievable awakening, and then have the reverberatory effect in all of Klal Yisrael to bring us all out of Galus. Good Shabbos.